Today I'm going to show you how to use a brake bleeder vacuum tool. So first you connect the clear holes from the vacuum pump to the bleeder valve on your brake caliper. Make sure it fits snugly to prevent any air leaks and ensure your collection container is secure and positioned below the bleeder. When you get that done, you can pump it up to create a vacuum, and I'm pulling about a negative 25 inches of mercury. Then this creates a suction to draw the brake fluid and any air bubbles out of the system. Now, for this particular case, I'm pushing the caliper piston back with the bleeder screw open. I suspect the caliper is a little stiff, and I want to check to see if there's a blockage in any part of the system here. If you're not doing this diagnostic step, you can just open the bleeder screw and continue with the vacuum bleeding process. So I just pushed the piston in, and now once you've got the vacuum, carefully crack open the bleeder screw using a wrench, and watch as brake fluid and air bubbles get pulled into the holes and into the container. As the vacuum drops near zero, close the bleeder screw to keep air from getting pulled back in. Repeat this process. Build vacuum to -25, open the bleeder, close it again when the gauge drops. Watch the fluid level in the collection container. When it starts to fill, you can take a pause. Also, make sure the brake master cylinder is topped off with fresh fluid at all times to prevent air from entering the brake system. Once the container is full, transfer the old brake fluid into a larger disposal jug. Always dispose of brake fluid properly. It's hazardous and should never be poured down a drain. So when you empty your container, you just repeat the process. Make sure your master cylinder is topped up, and repeat the bleeding process until you see clean, air-free brake fluid coming through. And then move to the next caliper and repeat as needed. And that's how you bleed your brakes using the vacuum pump. Be sure all bleeder screws are tight, and top off your fluid, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.